Do you know the advice or start the day with the most difficult task? They say that the first hour after waking up sets the tone for the rest of the day and should be used to the fullest. But let's be honest, how many times has this actually worked? You wake up, not yet involved in anything, and your brain is as blank as a piece of paper. And what's the first thing you do? You pick up your phone, shorts, memes, instant, effortless dopamine release. You're not even out of bed, and your brain's already been rewarded, and now everything else seems boring. Getting up? Not interesting. Eating breakfast? Laziness. Doing something useful? Too hard. But you know how most people fall into the trap? They decide to be productive and start with the hardest task. And then it seems 10 times harder than it really is. And they end up procrastinating. The day hasn't even started, and you've already lost. But here's the point. The problem isn't that people don't want to do the important things. The problem is that they're just not ready. Here's the important thing. You need to warm up first. You can't just jump into an activity, and your phone takes your attention right away, replacing reality with a stream of other people's content. Instead of trying to turn on right away, start with simple steps. Getting out of bed. You've already taken the first step. Making the bed, another. Washed your face, got moving, jotted down a few thoughts. This starts a chain of action where each completed thing gives you a sense of control and confidence. You stop being stuck and start taking action. Try not picking up your phone for at least the first hour after waking up. Don't let social media steal your energy first thing in the morning. Instead, focus on yourself and your life. When your day starts with real action instead of other people's content, it goes differently. When you've already done something, you feel capable. And then the daunting tasks don't seem so huge anymore. You're already on the move, already in the process. You don't wait for motivation, you act. Tomorrow morning, try not picking up your phone for just the first hour and feel the difference.